Hello students, warm greetings to all of you. Hope all are doing good. Now this is for class 8 biology chapter 9 reproduction in animals video number 4. So far we have learned the reproduction in human beings and some other familiar animals which takes place by the process called sexual reproduction. We will now study the reproduction in very small animals like amoeba and hydra. They are reproduced by the process of asexual reproduction. Already you have studied about asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? It is a production of a new organism from a single parent without the involvement of sex cells. So the new organism produced by asexual reproduction is exactly identical to the parent. So microorganisms like hydra, amoeba, etc. reproduce through asexual reproduction. Now we will study about budding in hydra and binary fission in amoeba. First, we have to study about budding in hydra. In budding, a small part of the body of the parent organism grows out as a bud which then detaches and becomes a new organism. So during budding, a small bulb-like projection known as the bud develops on the body of the parent hydra. Here you can see the picture of the hydra. Here you can see the picture of the hydra. Okay. So in hydra, first a small outgrowth called bud is formed on its side of the body. Here you can see the bud. Okay, this bud then grows and gradually to form a small hydra by developing a mouth and tentacles on it. These are known as the tentacles. So here you can see a small hydra which is developing on the parent hydra itself. Okay, first a small bud is coming, then it is developing, and then it developing like as a small hydra. Okay, then finally the tiny new hydra detaches itself from the body of the parent hydra and lives as a separate organism. In this way, the parent hydra has produced a new hydra. Okay, so thus hydra reproduces asexually by growing buds from its body, and this process is called the budding. Next, we have to study about binary fission in amoeba. Binary fission is an asexual method of reproduction in organisms. In binary fission, the parent organism splits or divides to form new organisms. So, we have to study about the binary fission of amoeba. Okay. So, here the picture shows first one, this is the picture of the parent amoeba, and then when the amoeba cell has reached, it is an unicellular organism while hydra is an multicellular organism. When the amoeba cell has reached its maximum size of growth, then first the nucleus of the amoeba, here you can see the nucleus elongates or lengthens and divided into two parts. You can see, then after that the cytoplasm of amoeba divides into two parts. So one part around each nucleus. You can see, in this way one parent amoeba divides into two daughter amoebae or two smaller amoebae. In this way, one parent amoeba divides to form two smaller amoebae, or amoeba reproduces by this process, and this process is known as binary fission. Next, we have to study about cloning. So cloning is the production of an exact copy of an animal by means of asexual reproduction. An animal which is genetically identical to its parent is called a clone. That means a clone is an exact copy of its parent. The cloning of a large animal was successfully done for the first time by Ian Wilmot and his colleagues at the Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, Scotland. They cloned a sheep named Dolly from its parent sheep called Finn Dorset sheep, that is a female sheep. Okay, so now we will study what are the steps or what are the process to clone the Dolly sheep. First step, a normal body cell was removed from the mammary gland of a female Finn Dorset sheep, which was to be cloned. Okay. Second step, an unfertilized egg cell was taken from a female Scottish blackface sheep and its nucleus containing chromosomes was removed, leaving the egg cell empty. That means no nucleus in the egg cell. Okay, that is known as enucleated. Then third step, the nucleus of normal body cell of Finn Dorset sheep was inserted into the empty egg cell of Scottish blackface sheep. In this way, a new egg cell was obtained which had the nucleus of Finn Dorset sheep. Okay, then the new egg cell was implanted in the uterus of another female Scottish blackface sheep, making it pregnant. After 148 days, the pregnant Scottish blackface sheep gave birth to the Dolly sheep. So, though Dolly sheep was given birth by a Scottish blackface sheep, it was found to be exactly identical to the original Finn Dorset sheep, and from whose cell nucleus was taken. So Dolly was a clone of Finn Dorset sheep whose cell nucleus was used in developing it. So the Dolly, the clone sheep, was born on 5th July 1996. Hope all of you understood this chapter well. So I will upload the notes as well as the question answer NCERT exercise in the parent portal. You can write from there. Thank you.